So today's mystery object, this thing right here, this is a fan motor. It's usually hidden inside of a base up on the ceiling. This one was sparking, arcing, big flashes, and then smoke came out, so yeah, it's not good. Whenever you let the smoke out of a black box like this, it's usually bad. I just want to see exactly what happens, so I'm trying to do an autopsy. I'm going to take this plate off, see if we can get these bearings out. I've already got the screws out of the housing, but the housing really doesn't want to come off, so it must be pressed on or something. So we're going to see if we can figure out how to dismantle this and see what part of it caught fire. Alright, so that's the top cover off. A couple of nuts. This one's, they've jammed that one on quite well. Going to see if I can knock this off with a hammer and punch. It's pretty tight fit, so I'm going to put a punch up under the side here. I'm going to tip it over, of course, when I do it, and then see if I can knock that off. Just work my way around it. Seems to be quite tight, so that seems to be working. Getting this off. A few more hits and oh, there we go. Cover off. Have a look inside. So here's how it works. There's a whole bunch of coils around here. I'm sure these are all magnets. There's probably magnets stuck in this flywheel as well, which will make it spin. These definitely look heat affected. Oh look, the wire right there has burned out. Let's zoom in on that. Yeah, melted. Burned right through. So that's obviously the cause of the arcing. It would have gone straight to ground. So brilliant design. Way to go. Yeah, it's completely burned away. And there's the links to the coils. Nice.